What if I told you there's a toilet that opens itself? A backpack that displays animations and a robot that literally picks up your dirty socks. I've spent weeks hunting down the most insane smart home gadgets on Amazon, and number 17 will completely blow your mind. It's something most people don't even know exists yet. Plus, stick around because I'm revealing a secret trick at the end that'll save you up to 80% on your next Amazon order. Trust me, you'll want to take a screenshot of that part. All product links are in the description below. Let's jump in. 1. AI-powered voice recorder. Ever wish you could take perfect notes without lifting a pen? This AI-powered voice recorder does the heavy lifting for you. It captures crystal clear audio, reduces background noise, and even transcribes speech into text in multiple languages. You can mark important moments, import external files for transcription, and keep recordings organized with ease. With long battery life and simple one-tap recording, it's like having your own personal assistant in your pocket. 2. Couch console. This innovative sofa caddy features a self-balancing weighted cup holder that keeps drinks upright on any surface, even the softest cushions. With modular compartments for snacks, remotes, and devices, plus a built-in phone stand and USB-C charging port, everything stays within reach. The sleek black and orange design fits perfectly on couches, car seats, or RVs. Durable, spill-resistant, and endlessly customizable, it's the ultimate relaxation companion. Order yours today and elevate your lounging experience. 3. LED TV backlights with screen sync. Movie nights just got a whole lot cooler. These LED backlights sync with whatever's on your screen, wrapping your TV in glowing colors that spill out into your room. Dual cameras make sure the effect is spot on, so every scene feels more immersive. You can control everything with an app. Switch modes, change colors, or let it dance to your music. It's like turning your living room into a private theater. 4. Rolling security camera robot. Think of this as a little robot buddy that watches your home when you can't. It rolls around on wheels, giving you a clear 2K view of every corner straight from your phone. The cute design even self-corrects if it gets tipped over. You can press a button to call and talk through its built-in speaker, making it feel like you're right there. With night vision, motion detection, and long battery life, it never misses a moment. 5. Smart weather station. Why rely on a generic forecast when you can have your own weather station at home? This smart system tracks temperature, humidity, wind, and rain in real time with no moving parts to wear down. The full-color display gives you instant updates every few seconds. You can even connect it to your smart home, triggering alerts or automations based on conditions. Stay ahead of the storm with accurate hyper-local data right at your fingertips. 6. LED display backpack. This backpack doesn't just carry your stuff, it puts on a show. The hardshell design features a built-in LED screen where you can display text, pictures, or even animations through an app. It's roomy enough for a laptop, helmet, or all your daily gear with multiple compartments to keep things organized. The waterproof shell keeps your valuables safe while the padded straps make long rides comfortable. 7. Bidet toilet. This isn't just a toilet. It's like stepping into the future every time you sit down. The lid opens automatically. The seat is heated and warm water spray cleans you with adjustable pressure. A built-in dryer finishes the job so you barely need toilet paper. At night, the soft glow of the LED light guides you without fumbling for switches. With touch-free flushing and a powerful system, it's comfort and cleanliness in one sleek design. 8. Cordless wet-dry vacuum. Cleaning under furniture doesn't have to be a workout. This cordless wet-dry vacuum lays completely flat, sliding under beds and sofas to reach hidden dust and crumbs. It vacuums and mops at the same time, keeping your floors spotless with ease. When you're done, it deep cleans itself with hot water and dries the roller to prevent odors. Lightweight, smart, and powerful, your floors have never had it this easy. 9. Electric scalp massager. Sometimes the best stress relief starts at the top of your head. This electric scalp massager mimics the feeling of gentle fingers kneading your scalp in 360 degrees. 3 different modes let you switch between casual, sleep, or vitality settings depending on your mood. The soft prongs boost relaxation, ease tension, and can even help you drift off to better sleep. Compact and cordless, it's like carrying a mini spa wherever you go. 10. Instant photo printer. Turn your phone snaps into real keepsakes in seconds. This instant photo printer connects wirelessly, docks your phone, and even charges it while printing. The 4-layer process makes each picture vibrant, fingerprint-proof, and water-resistant, so they last for years. Choose borderless photos for a clean look, or bordered ones for jotting down memories. With a full bundle of sheets included, you're ready to start printing right away. 11. Outdoor pizza oven. Backyard pizza nights just got an upgrade. This 2-burner gas oven reaches sizzling heat fast, giving you restaurant-quality pizza in under 2 minutes. The high dome and insulated body keep the heat where it belongs for perfectly crisp results every time. It's portable enough for family gatherings and sturdy enough to stay put while cooking. And it's not just for pizza. Grill veggies, meats, or even fish with ease. 12. Smart chessboard. This isn't just a chessboard. It's like having a built-in coach sitting across from you. Touch any piece and the board lights up, possible moves, showing you smart plays and even warning you about mistakes. Beginners get guided step by step, while advanced players can switch off hints and play freely. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you challenge real opponents online without even needing a phone. With lessons, analysis, and practice modes, it's the smartest way to level up your game. 13. Tower Power Strip. Too many gadgets, not enough outlets. This Tower Power Strip turns one plug into a full charging station. With 16 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, and 2 USB-C ports, you can power up to 21 devices at once. The vertical design saves space and keeps cords neat instead of tangled across the floor. Built-in surge and overload protection keep everything safe. Perfect for dorms, offices, or any tech-heavy setup. Smart Air Purifier. Clean air doesn't have to be complicated. This ultra-quiet purifier traps dust, allergens, mold, and odors in 6 powerful stages, leaving your home fresh and breathable. You can mount it on the wall or let it stand alone. Either way, it blends right into your space. A custom filter tackles stubborn smells from pets, cooking, or smoke. Covering large rooms with ease, it makes every breath feel lighter and cleaner. 15. Smart helmet with LED lights. This isn't just a helmet, it's a smart upgrade for every ride. Built with front and rear LED lights, it makes sure you're seen day or night. A retractable face shield protects against wind, dust, and glare, while keeping your view crystal clear. The wireless handlebar remote lets you signal turns without lifting a hand. And with app controls for brightness and patterns, you're riding safer, smarter, and in style. 16-point knee therapy wrap. Say goodbye to endless ice packs and heating pads. This smart knee wrap gives you both heat and cold therapy in one sleek design. Switch from soothing warmth to refreshing cool with the push of a button, easing pain, swelling, and stiffness fast. It straps on comfortably and moves with you so you're not stuck sitting down. No cords, no mess, just instant relief whenever you need it. 17. Smart desk lamp. Lighting that actually thinks for you. This smart desk lamp adjusts its brightness automatically, protecting your eyes whether you're working, reading, or studying late at night. You can tweak the color temperature and dimming to get the perfect vibe. All controlled by touch, an app, or even your voice with Alexa or Google. The sleek design is flexible and easy to adjust. It's more than a lamp, it's a smart companion for your desk. 18. Robot vacuum with mechanical arm. This is no ordinary robot vacuum. It's a helper with an arm. The built-in mechanical arm can actually pick up small items like socks and tissues, moving them out of the way as it cleans. With powerful suction and hot water mopping, it tackles dirt and stubborn stains in one go. Smart navigation avoids cables and furniture legs with ease. And the docking station keeps everything clean, washed, and ready for the next run. 19. 13-port laptop docking station. Your laptop just found its ultimate sidekick. This docking station packs 13 different ports into one sleek design, letting you connect everything at once. Hook up 2 monitors in crisp 4K, transfer giant files in seconds, and keep all your devices powered with lightning-fast charging. The smart LCD screen shows you exactly what's connected. It's compact, powerful, and built to make multitasking effortless. 20. UV Sanitizer Lamp. Sometimes cleaning sprays just aren't enough. This UV lamp uses powerful ultraviolet light to kill up to 99% of germs, bacteria, and mold in minutes. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space that needs a deeper clean. It works without harsh chemicals. A built-in timer keeps you safe and simple. Compact and portable, it's an easy way to keep your environment healthier every day. 21. Heated vest. Cold weather doesn't stand a chance. This lightweight heated vest warms your core and even your hands with built-in heating zones. A single button lets you switch between 3 heat levels, so you're always comfortable. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 10 hours and can even top up your phone. Water-resistant, windproof, and machine washable, it's the perfect layer for commuting, outdoor adventures, or just staying cozy anywhere. 22. Smart Towel Warmer Rack. Step out of the shower and wrap yourself in warmth. This wall-mounted towel rack heats your towels so they're always cozy and dry. You can control it with your phone, set schedules, or even use your voice with Alexa or Google. The sleek stainless steel design is waterproof and saves space in your bathroom. With adjustable temperature and a built-in timer, it's luxury made simple. 23. Smart Motion Detector. Keep your home one step ahead with this smart motion detector. It spots movement instantly and alerts you through your connected system. The wide-angle lens covers a big area, while the stand lets you adjust the angle just the way you want. You can even set how quickly it resets between detections. With a long-lasting battery, it works quietly in the background, keeping your space safe without the hassle. 24. Electric Fireplace. Create instant ambiance with a 50-inch electric fireplace. At just 3.86 inches deep, it's the thinnest fireplace on the market, perfect for recessed or wall-mounted installation in any 2x6 stud space. Customize your experience with 12 flame colors, 5 speed settings, and adjustable brightness, all controlled via touchscreen or remote. With dual heating modes, 750 watts, it efficiently warms up to 400 square feet while maintaining natural humidity. ETL certified for safety with auto shutoff protection. 25. Portable handheld vacuum. Crumbs in the car, pet hair on the couch, dust hiding in corners. Meet the pocket-sized vacuum that tackles it all. Weighing just over a pound, it's light enough to use one-handed without any strain. The brushless motor delivers powerful suction, pulling in everything from dirt to pet fur in seconds. A built-in LED light reveals hidden messes, and the cordless design means you can clean anywhere with ease. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret blog on Amazon that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide, links in the description. If you love these home gadgets, hit that like button and subscribe for more Amazon home finds. Part 2 of this video featuring 25 more clever Amazon home products is coming next. Don't miss it.